Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So we're going to do something a little bit different on this video today. I'm going to unbox this parts washer, put it together, and kind of give you my first impressions on it. I got this thing from Tractor Supply, got it for Christmas. Never done a video that's an unboxing type video, but I figured I'd put it out there. If you guys like it, I can try to make some more of them when I get other stuff. If you don't like it, then I won't make any more of them. So, alright, so let's get this thing open and we'll see what it's all about. Alright, this parts washer is also exactly like the Central Machinery parts washer that you can get over at Harbor Freight. Alright, let's get this thing open. Box is pretty beat up, so hopefully they packaged it well. Yeah, nice and red. Alright, so right off the bat, get this plastic in here. Out of the box. See what's in here. Alright, got our tray for inside the parts washer. Foam, plastic. Alright, so let's get the box out of here. Alright, let's scoot this back here. Alright, so first look, everything looks good. So I'm sure all of our book with a little spring action there going on. Got our little nozzle there. More foam. We're guessing that these are the legs here. And the parts washer pump. There's our instructions. Do we really want to use instructions? Yeah, we probably should. I've got a little free lifetime technical support here. Little registration card. Silica pack. And a bunch of bolts. And more foam. So let's get all this foam out of here. Alright. So instructions say we're probably going to put the legs on first. That's what makes logical sense. Alright, here we go. It's just basically a diagram. Super easy. The legs bolt on with 4 bolts here. And then that tray bolts about halfway down with bolts as well. And then we have our parts tray here, and then we have another little tray in here that bolts on, and then it looks like the little pump part is inside here. So once we get it together, we'll have to figure that out, where that little piece goes, because I don't really see it in the pictures. It's got to go right here because this is where the switch goes through. So alright, let's put this thing together. Alright, so these bolts are going to take a 10 millimeter, so I hope you know where your 10 millimeter is. And then a Phillips bit. Alright, we'll tighten those up. So that's going to be our first step, is getting all the legs off. So I'm going to cut to that now. Alright, so we got the legs on. So now, to add some support, that's where this shelf down here is going to come into play. Get this out of the way. So we're gonna bolt this sucker in here. All right, so we got 4 bolts in. We need to put 4 more in. So we'll put those in. We'll tighten them down, and then we'll go about putting the inside in. All right, so like I showed you a second ago, we have the legs and everything on. We're gonna open this up. See how this installs. So there's our basket for our parts, and here's the pump. The pump right here. So I'm going to bring y'all in closer so you can see what we're doing on the inside here. All right. So parts basket. Here's our shelf. We're going to put that in here. That's how it goes. Might actually flip the wrong way. Basket up here. It's got like both feet on it, so when you set it down in there. Alright, I'm gonna come across here to install this. Okay. So this goes like that. See, there's gotta be a bolt or something. Oh, nope, no bolt. So what it does is it slides in, and then you slide it down on the lip, and it is in there. So that's that right there. Now we need to install the little hose. Oh. Here's our little parts cleaner hose, and it just threads on right here. And it is a plastic fitting, so you want to make sure you're not stripping anything out. So I'm just going to hand tighten that on there, just like that. So like I said, that is plastic, so put too much on it, you're going to strip it. Okay, got that on there. Alright, this is the cover. It's got the filter here to filter out any dirt from going into the pump. Put that back on here. Just snaps on. Just like that. And there we go. That is our parts cleaner. Alright, there's our cleaner. Right down, here's our tray. And then here's our strain hole right there when you get ready to change this stuff out. If you use the right parts cleaner, you can actually just leave it in here and you drain it once it gets real dirty. This is a little parts cleaning basket. Set that down there in the liquid. This will hold up to 20 gallons, so that's a good thing. You can also flip this up, I guess, if you need to get under there for any reason. So I did notice too that on this tray here there's a screw hole. I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's a little screw hole right here. I'm guessing that's if you wanted to somehow make that thing not move around, but I really don't want to punch a hole in the side of this thing, so we're just gonna let it slide around down here. All right, everyone, that is the unboxing and assembly of the JobSmart 20-gallon parts washer from Tractor Supply. I am liking it so far. Feels like it's pretty good build quality. I still need to get some parts washer fluid to put in here. And we do already have some parts in here that we're going to be cleaning. Got this bucket here. Has a couple things right here. So if you guys are interested in watching that video, once I put it out, I'll link it down in the description below, just so you can kind of see how this thing cleans, how the nozzle works, and everything like that. If you are interested in finding out what these parts came off of, and you'd like to check out more about the project that I've been working on, I will link that description down in the comment as well. It's a whole series that I've been doing, so if that's something that might interest you, go click on it, watch it, subscribe, comment, let me know how things are. If this video benefited you at all, you enjoyed it, you watched it, I would appreciate the subs. So please do that as well. That is all that I have. Short, sweet, to the point, and God bless. Y'all have a great week, and we will see you guys next time.